here. All right. So first, show me, look. Aiden, sit nicely, please. 5, 4, 3, 2. Show me, listen. Show me, quiet. Very good. So we're going to talk about a certain letter. I'm going to write it. You're going to tell me what it is, okay? I'm going to write it up here. Who can tell me what letter? Good. What letter is it? Good. Okay. All right. I'm looking for a certain way to answer. It's letter N. Good. Tell me again. What letter is it? Good. Again. It's letter N. Now, what does N say? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. How about Jenna? What does N say? Very good. Notice when we say our mouth is open. Let's try that again. N says Good job. All right. It's letter N. N says What is N for? Someone tell me. Zara, what is N for? Joam. All right, N is for 9. Good, Zara. And who else? Who else? Kelly, what is N for?
No.
N is for no. Good job. Jenna, what is N for? N is for nuts. Good job. Corey, what is N for?
N is for nest.
N is for nest. Good. Anything else? N is for Thomas.
I don't know.
N is for no. Carlos. N is for nest. Good job. Eleanor. N is for nut. Good. So we got them all. Okay. So when we write big N, it's different from this one. Let's see it. What letter is it? Good. It's letter N. It's letter N. Both letter N. But you guys already know that. We've covered it the whole year. So when I write, first show me your writing alligator, please. Show me your writing alligator. 2 fingers up top and the thumb down here. Good job. I'm holding my pencil. Let's see if it'll work on the IWB. So when we write on the IWB, we're going to keep the cap on. Okay, we're going to keep it on. Use my writing alligator. And I'm going to start at the bottom. See, I'm going to start down here. I'll start in the middle for you guys. And I go up. And then I go down. And then I go up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Up, down, up. Oh, wait, yeah, very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, so let's try it again. Up, down, up. Very good. Now, what about when we write the small n? The small n. Let's see here. How do we start? For the small n, we're going to start with the top action. Okay? So we're going to start at the top right here. And we're going to come down. And then we're going to make a little arch. We're going to go like this, Miss Hannah. You watching? Mr. Aiden, ready? Like this. Oh, thank you so much. Wait. Thank you so much. All right. So let's try it again. We got our little N over here. Are you watching, Carlos? Thank you. All right, start from the top, go down, back up, and then make our thing right here, our little arch. Who wants to try? All right, who wants to try? How about someone sitting nicely? Hannah's not sitting nicely. Eula's not sitting nicely. I see May in the back sitting nicely. Come on, May. Good job. We're going to keep the cap on, remember, for the IWB? All right. Show me your writing alligator. Good job. We're going to watch May. May, can you make a big N? Okay. We're going to watch May. Start from the bottom, okay? Good. Down here. Go up. Good. And down. And up. Very good. Let's take a look. Move over, love. Let's take a look at May's N. Does it look good? I think it looks great. Let's give May claps. That's a really good job. Give her claps. Come on. Good Great N. Awesome, Meg. Can you make a small N? Can you try? Small N. Let's start down here, yeah? Okay. Okay, so we're going to go down. Good job, Meg. Super, you're finished. Good job. Give me 5. Meg, let me give you 2 rainbows. Good job. Yes, you're right. I made a boo-boo. It's okay. Have a seat, love. All right, very good. All right, who wants to try? Who wants to try? We're doing letter N today. How about Thomas? Thomas, come on up, bud. All right, writing alligator. Show me writing alligator. 2 fingers on top. Good job. Yeah, good job. Okay. I want you to make a big N. Okay, big N. Let me see. All right, very good. Start at the bottom. We're gonna go up, down, up. All right, Joel. Let's take a look at Thomas's N. Did Thomas write a nice N? Yes or no? Yeah. Let's great. Let's give Thomas claps. Good job. Okay, now Thomas is going to write a small N. Can you write a small N? Can you try? Yeah, all right. Good job. Let's give Thomas claps again. He did a really good job. Thomas, good job. All right, Mr. Thomas, take a rainbow, bud. All right. Who's sitting nicely? Uh-oh, I hear Aiden. Aiden is talking and Jojo are talking. I think Jojo's gonna give me a rainbow. I think Jojo's gonna give me a rainbow. You're not sitting nicely. All right, very good. All right. All right, okay. Who wants to come up and try? We're doing letter N. I'm gonna put these away. How about, let's have Jaden. Jaden. So our big N and our small N. All right, Jaden, should we be writing alligator? Good job, okay. Go on. Good job. Small N for me. Small N. Good job, Jaden. Jaden, do a good job, yes or no? Yes, he did. Let's give him clap. Let's give him clap. Good job, Jaden. You can have 2. All right, guys, so this is what we're going to do. We are now going to switch over to our whiteboards. We're going to use our whiteboards. And we're going to stick with our writing sheets for today. We're going to grab our writing pencils because the tables in the back are occupied. That's fine. All right, very good. Who's sitting nicely? Okay, all right, so this is what we're going to do. I'm hearing too much talking. I'm hearing too much talking. Uh-oh. Hands on knees. All right, okay.